Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your OBS your main mic on Discord. So just open up your Chrome browser and search for VB cable. Go to the first link. Just click here on download. Then just save the file on desktop. Then go to desktop. Right click on it. Click on extract all. Click on extract. After it has been extracted successfully, just open up the folder. Scroll down, then just right click on VB cable setup and click on run as administrator. Then click on yes. After that, just click on install driver. Click on OK. Then after this, go back to OBS. Go to settings. Go to audio. Scroll down a bit. And in advanced settings, go to monitoring device and change it to cable input VB audio virtual cable. Click on apply. Click on OK. After that, just go back to the main screen of OBS and click here. Click on advanced audio properties. And from your mic's audio monitoring, set it to monitor and output. Close this. And then go to Discord. Go to user settings. Go to voice and video. And from input device, set it to cable output. And that is how to use OBS as your main mic on Discord. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.